Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those joining us for the very first time, welcome. My name is Nomfundo. My friends call me Fufu. And today I will be doing something with my hair. So I went onto YouTube because I was looking for a hot oil treatment. Since my hair is very dry and brittle and it's practically falling off my head, I wanted to do something to rescue my hair. And this is happening because I basically have literally been neglecting my hair. I haven't been doing proper wash days for a year now because I got very busy with work and I didn't have the time to actually take care of my hair. But today I was like, you know what? I need to take care of my hair if I want it to grow and for it to be healthy. So I went online, went on YouTube, and I found a hot oil treatment recipe with ingredients that I have at home, basically. So same ingredients that I can use for cooking is the same ingredients that I'll be using for my hair. So let's go and get that done. So in the kitchen now, and I have my ingredients. I have extra virgin olive oil. I have castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil. I have grapeseed oil, avocado oil, and lastly coconut oil. So I don't currently have pumpkin seed oil because this recipe actually requires pumpkin seed oil, but I couldn't find it in the stores. So what am I going to do? We're going to make this hot oil prepoo oil treatment mixture thingy with the oils that I have. So let's get to it. Oh, I'm going to use this container for mixing all the oils. I'm going to measure actually with a measuring cup. Got a measuring cup. I'm going to use this measuring cup to measure my oils. Don't really need to measure anything, but I'm measuring because I want to make a lot, and I'm just going to keep it for normal moisturizing, not moisturizing, but normal hair care things. So yeah. Okay, so I have all my oils in here now, so I'm actually gonna take it and I'm gonna go put it into the microwave. Had chicken licking today, guys. We're moving, so the mess in the house, but there's the oil. I'm gonna put it in just for I think 1 minute. Okay, that's 2 minutes, it's fine. And then I'm gonna leave it in there for like 2 minutes and pack away. Okay guys, so it didn't even take the 2 minutes for like the coconut oil to completely melt and for the oils to get all warm. You can see it here. It's all melted together. I'm just mixing it, like swirling it to mix the oils together. And you don't want to get it too hot either. And I recycle a lot. Like I've learned to actually just keep old bottles, and because I like doing these DIYs. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this bottle. I bought like oil in here like a while back, and now when it's empty I'm like, okay, now I use it for my own oils that I make at home because it's got a nice applicator, so I can literally just put it on my hair like that and it works very well. So I will now take this oil, I'll pour it back into the measuring cup, and voila. Oh, the oils are separating actually. And then I'll actually pour into here. Guys, so now we have our oil. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Should I go to the bathroom? I don't need to go to the bathroom. I'm actually gonna sit in the lounge and I'm gonna do this because it's got a nice applicator. I'm gonna put a towel on myself, cover my t-shirt, and I'm gonna put the oil on. So let's go do that. So I have my oil mixture here, and I'm gonna put it on. But my eyes are red because I have so much oil that I was actually dripping into my eyes. But yeah, so I've applied oil on all the different parts that I have. So now I have this much oil left, but I always feel like I actually put in a lot of oil. My scalp is very itchy because I haven't been taking care of my hair. So I'm gonna put a bit more on the scalp itself, and then I'm gonna do like a little like massage, just to stimulate my scalp basically. And yeah, so I've decided that I'm actually gonna leave this on overnight, but if you want, you can actually just put it under like a hooded dryer and leave it on for 30 minutes. And oh, that feels so good. Okay, I'm being dramatic, but yeah, it feels very good. And you can actually take it, wash it out after 30 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna give myself a massage, guys. So I always do this when I do hot oil treatments. My eyes are actually red because all the oils are going into my eyes because they're just dripping. As you can see, I always put like a lot of oil. I don't know how much to put on. But now, so what I'll do is, I don't have a shower cap. I have a plastic bag. So I'll put this on. So this is basically to help trap the heat from my scalp, because I'm not gonna put, what's this thing called? I'm not gonna put a heat cap on, or I'm gonna sleep with it basically. And then I'm gonna use my sock. It's like a very old sock. It's a long sock, just to put it around the edges, the edges of the bag, like this. So this is basically to trap like the oil, like any excess oil, so it doesn't like leak out. Well, the oil that's leaking out, we put it like that, is to actually trap that oil that wants to leak out. I actually think I will pull the plastic down a bit, but yeah, so I have the sock on, and then I'll put, lastly, my hair bonnet. Sorry guys, I'm doing my laundry as well. So yeah, because I'm moving again tomorrow, like why? But anyways, I'll put this on and voila. So I will sleep with these oils, and the heat from my scalp will basically heat up the oil and help it to like penetrate a bit more into my hair. So yeah, so I'll see it in the morning, because apparently these oils are supposed to like make my hair very soft, but my hair is already soft, guys. But anyways, yes, it's supposed to help with make my hair soft and like reduce breakage and help it with growth and all of that. And I actually applied some on my eyebrows as well. Wow, it was dripping on my face, so I put on my eyebrows. But anyways guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I will continue on actually tomorrow morning when I wash out the hair, and we'll see how it looks like. For now, good night.